Sunny's great adventure. Manaim found a tiny, striped seed in a colorful packet. "What are you?" he whispered. A tiny voice squeaked back, "I'm Sunny. I'm a sunflower seed, and I'm going on a big adventure." Manaim gently placed Sunny into a cozy bed of dark, crumbly soil in a bright red pot. "This is your new home," Manaim said. "It's so dark," said Sunny. "Don't worry," Manaim replied. "This soil is full of yummy food to help you grow big and strong." Next, Manaim gave Sunny a gentle drink of water from his little blue watering can. Splash! "Ooh, that's refreshing," giggled Sunny. "Water helps you wake up and start growing," Manaim explained. Tucked deep in the soil, Sunny felt a tickle. A tiny white root wiggled out from his side and pushed down, down, down. "I'm getting anchored," he chirped. "These roots will help me drink up all that water and hold me tight in the soil." One morning, Manaim saw something amazing. A little green sprout was peeking out of the soil. "I'm here," shouted Sunny, stretching his tiny green shoot up towards the sky. "Hello, world." Manaim moved the pot to a sunny window. The warm sunbeams felt like a big hug to Sunny. "The sun gives you energy," said Manaim. "Your leaves will use the sunlight, water, and air to make food. It's like magic." Every day, Sunny drank the water and soaked up the sun. He grew taller and taller, and more green leaves popped out. "Look at me, Manaim. I'm reaching for the sun," Sunny said proudly. One day, Manaim noticed a little green ball at the very top of Sunny's stem. "What's that?" he asked. "It's a secret," Sunny whispered excitedly. "Something beautiful is getting ready inside." Then, one sunny morning, the bud opened. Big, bright yellow petals unfolded, surrounding a happy, seedy face. "Ta-da!" beamed Sunny. "I'm a sunflower. I followed the sun to become my best self." Manaim cheered. "You're beautiful, Sunny." Sunny smiled, his face full of new seeds. "Thanks to you, the soil, the water, and the sun, my adventure is complete. And soon, my own seeds can have an adventure too."